To disclose or not disclose, that is the question. Now, the seller's disclosure is vital to ensure that you're safe during and after the sale. I highly suggest that going over the disclosure with your listing agent prior to the home going on the MLS or prior to any buyers seeing your home. We want them to have previously reviewed the disclosures prior to making any offers. This will help ensure that the buyer doesn't back out of the sale from things they should have already been made aware of. The seller's disclosure is a safety net for not only the buyer, but also for the seller. I always recommend when you are selling to disclose anything that's ever been repaired, replaced, modified, or added, fixed, or changed. So if you've had a roof leak, if you've had foundation repairs or worked on AC repairs, added lighting, water heater, anything like that, you should disclose it. One of the most common sayings that I have for my clients is, if you ask me if it needs to be disclosed, the answer is probably the yes. It's better to over-disclose than to under-disclose, and it'll keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything that you know about that home. Anything that could have a negative impact on the durability of that home, you want them to know. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later trying to take you to court or trying to extract more money out of you for some repairs. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. So the bottom line is disclose, disclose, disclose. I'm Wendell Hodges, RE/MAX Associates. I'm here to help. Experience you can trust and results you deserve.